Umengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa wexwayise ngokuthi uma ngabe ukubhebhetheka kwegciwane iCorona kunganqandeki, izwe lizosuka esigabeni sesithathu libuyele esigabeni sesine. Enkulumweni yakhe yayizolo uMengameli umemezele ukuthi izwe selizokwehlela esigabeni sesithathu seLockdown.
Umengameli wezwe uthi izwe lonke lizokwehlela esigabeni sesithathu ngomsombuluko ozayo, kodwa ikhona indawo okumele iqashwe ngelokhozi ngoba ziyisizinda salo lubhubhane.
The following metros in our country have been identified as coronavirus hotspots: Tshwane, Johannesburg, Ekurhuleni, eThekwini, Nelson Mandela Bay, Buffalo City, and Cape Town. There are other areas that are also hotspots, and they being West Coast, Overberg, and Cape Winelands district municipalities in the Western Cape, Chris Hani district in the Eastern Cape, and Ilembe district in KwaZulu-Natal.
Umengameli wezwe bese balula izinto ezizokwenzeka uma sekungenwe esigabeni sesithathu seLockdown.
People will also be able to leave their homes to buy goods or obtain services including medical health care. People will also be able, in this level 3, to be able to exercise at any time during the day, provided this is not done in groups. The curfew and the movement of people will be lifted. Alcohol will be sold for home consumption only under strict conditions on specified days and for limited hours.
Abantu abakazovunyelwa ukuthi bahlangane ndawonye kanti futhi ukuhambela kwezinye izifundazwe nako kusavaliwe. Amahotela, indawo zokudlela kuzobe kusavaliwe. Ugwayi awuvunyelwe ukuthi udayiswe esigabeni sesithathu seLockdown, kanti nabo laba bazobe bethenga utshwala bazobuthenga bese beyokuphuzela emakhaya.
It is now in your hands. May God bless South Africa and protect its people.
nguCalvin Dludla, wezindaba ze SABC.